Hi guys and welcome to Auto Glimpse. To help you buy a car on a tight budget, here's our list of top 5 cars under 5 lakh rupees. At number 5 and the first car that we have on our list today is the Renault Kwid. As promised, हम वो ही वेरिएंट्स डिस्कस करेंगे जो आप 5 लाख की प्राइस रेंज में खरीद सकते हैं। आपको इस रेंज में रेनो क्विड का RXL वेरिएंट मिल जाता है। इसका एक शोरूम प्राइस है 4.49 लाख रुपीस, which converts to an on-road price of 5.10 lakhs. Although Kwid में आपको दो इंजन ऑप्शंस मिलते हैं, which include a 800cc engine with 53 brake horsepower and a 1000cc engine with 67 brake horsepower. However, of the two, it's better to go for the 1000cc engine as it offers better drivability, and yes, the 800cc does feel a little underpowered. The good news is जो हमने आपको प्राइस और वेरिएंट रिकमेंड किया है वो 1 लीटर इंजन के साथ ही आता है. On the safety front, you do get a driver side airbag and ABS and EBD on this RXL variant. Considering 5 लाख में आजकल काफ़ी गाड़ियां नहीं आ रही हैं, स्टिल एक 5 लाख के ऑन रोड प्राइस में RXL वेरिएंट ऑफ क्विड आपको देता है एयर कंडीशनिंग, power steering, front power windows and a music system that has USB and auxiliary support plus Bluetooth connectivity. Overall, अगर आप एक decent looking car चाहते हैं under 5 lakh rupees, then Kwid is a car that you can consider. The reason why we have kept this at number 5 on our list is because of the low safety rating that the car previously received and the fact that we do feel that this is not the most engaging car to drive. The next car we have on our list is the Maruti Suzuki WagonR. If you are looking for a compact yet large family car that won't burn a hole in your pocket, then WagonR LXi variant is the car for you. The car comes at a ex-showroom price of 4.8 lakh rupees, which converts to an on-road price of 5.27 lakhs. Kwid की तरह WagonR में भी आपको दो इंजन चॉइसेस मिल जाते हैं, एक 1000cc इंजन और एक 1200cc. 1200cc डेफिनेटली मोर पावरफुल है. ये वही इंजन है जो आपको मारुति की स्विफ्ट में भी देखने को मिल जाता है. However, for the price and the variant that we are looking at, you can only go for the 1000cc engine. Originally ये कार हमारी लिस्ट पे नंबर 3 पर थी, बट इसको हमें नंबर 4 पर लाना पड़ा because with the LXi variant, you don't really get much as a standard with the car. कार में आपको फ्रंट पावर विंडोज, AC और पावर स्टीयरिंग तो मिल जाता है, बट सेफ्टी के मामले में ना तो आपको एयरबैग्स मिलते हैं ना ही ABS और EBD, जो कि आजकल एटलीस्ट कंसिडरिंग द कार्स वी आर गेटिंग इन द मार्केट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड शुड बी अ स्टैंडर्ड फीचर. एट नंबर 3 वी हैव द Hyundai Santro. नई Hyundai Santro एक ऐसी गाड़ी है जिसको शायद आप नोटिस ना करें, बट डेफिनेटली there is nothing to hate about it. I know it is a little irritating कि अभी भी इसमें वही decade old 1100cc engine मिलता है. But of the comparison that we have today, this is the only 4-cylinder engine, and of all the cars that we have mentioned so far, this is the one that feels least strained when you really push it hard. 5 लाख की प्राइस रेंज में आपको इसका एरा एग्जीक्यूटिव वर्जन मिल जाता है, which is priced at 4.73 lakhs ex-showroom and converts to an on-road price of 5.29 lakhs. The car comes with ABS and driver side airbag and has AC power steering and front power windows. The boot space isn't as generous as the WagonR, but still at 235 liters, it is quite useful. At number 2, we have the Maruti Suzuki Alto 800. Now this might come as a surprise to quite a lot of people that why do I have this car on number 2, because this isn't really the most modern car here. But the fact of the matter here is that we are looking at cars that cost under or around 5 lakh rupees, and this is one car that can save you a few extra thousands, yet delivering everything that you will need. अभी तक हमने 3 में से 2 गाड़ियों का बेस मॉडल डिस्कस करा है, बिकॉज दैट इज ऑल यू गेट फॉर 5 लाख रुपीज. बट विद द Alto 800 फॉर 4.6 lakh rupees ऑन रोड, you can get yourself the top spec variant, which is the VXi Plus. इस गाड़ी में आपको फ्रंट पावर विंडोज, 7 इंच का टच स्क्रीन इंफोटेनमेंट सिस्टम, which is actually very good, and dual airbags, ABS and EBD and air conditioning. So all that just for 4.6 lakh rupees on road. And obviously अगर आप एक सस्ती गाड़ी ले रहे हैं तो you will also want it to be cheap to run and maintain. And Maruti Alto 800 is just the car for you if that's your concern. Finally, at number 1 we have the Tata Tiago. Yes, at 4.99 lakh rupees ex-showroom, this barely meets the criteria of under 5 lakh rupees. And 5 लाख के अंदर आप इसका सिर्फ बेस वेरिएंट खरीद सकते हैं, जिसमें ना तो आपको म्यूजिक सिस्टम मिलता है, ना ही आपको पावर विंडोज मिलते हैं. All you get is air conditioning, a digital meter and a manual AC. What makes this the number 1 on our list is the safety on offer. This is a 4-star NCAP rated car that comes with dual airbags as a standard even in the base variant. And of the 5 cars discussed here, this has the most powerful engine, that is the 1200cc engine, which produces 84.48 brake horsepower. If you want a car that offers both safety and performance under 5 lakhs, the Tata Tiago is the best option you have. If there's any car we missed or you would like to add to the list, do let us know in the comment section below.